Mental Health and COVID-19. Presentations by the Bulmia Group. J. Presentations Rahul Gunawat and author by Rachit Agarwal. मेंटल हेल्थ एंड कोविड-19 के बारे में बात करते हैं। वर्ल्ड मेंटल हेल्थ की अगर जभी भी बात की जाए तो वो 10 अक्टूबर 2020 को है। वर्ल्ड मेंटल हेल्थ की हिस्ट्री के बारे में बात करते हैं तो वर्ल्ड मेंटल हेल्थ वाज एस्टेब्लिश इन द 1992 बाय द वर्क ऑफ रिचर्ड हंटर। The first World Mental Health Day was great success with the participations of 127 countries. Many countries now adopted the day as a means of promoting mental health. Depressions, a global public health concerns. Depressions is a significant contributions with the global burdens of a disease in the all community across the world. Second, according to the World Health Organizations, the unipolar depressions disorder were ranked as the third leading cause of a global burden of disease in 2004 and will be moved into a first place by 2030. Today, depression is estimated to affect the 350 million peoples. This may be increased due to the novel coronavirus. Second, the World Mental Health Survey conducted in the 17 countries found that on the average about 1 in the 20 people reported have episodes depressions in the previous years. Depressions disorder often started at a younger age and they are reduced people's functioning and the offers of recurring. Second, for this reason, the depressions is a leading cause of disability in the terms of death. What is depressions? Correct. Depressions is a common mental disorder that present with the first depressed mode, second loss of interest or pleasure, third decreased energy, fourth feeling of guilt or self warmth, fifth disturbance sleep or appetite, and seventh poor concentrations. Moreover, the depressions offers come with an anxiety. Almost 1 million lives are lost yearly due to suicides, which translate to 3,000 suicide deaths every day worldwide. Second, according to survey, these numbers may be increased further due to the coronavirus. Next, this is mainly due to the unplanned jobs of loss or even finance burdens such as the EMI and the unpayables banks loans at the times of coronavirus. First, depression episode. Depression episode symptoms such as depression moods, loss of interest, and enjoyments increase fatigability. Next, depression episode can be categorized as a mild, moderate, or severe. Second, bipolar affective disorder. It typically consists of both manics and depressions episodes separated by the periods of normal moods. Next, manic episodes involves elevated moods and increased energy resulting in the hours activity, pressures of a speech and the decreased need for sleep. Managing depressions is the disorder that can be reliably diagnosed and treated in the primary health care. Treatment options at primary health care level consist of first basic psychosocial supports combined with the antidepressants medications or second psychotherapy such as cognitive behavior therapy, interpersonal psychotherapy or problem solving treatment. Next, antidepressants medications can be very effective form of a treatment for moderate and the severe depressions, but it is not a first line treatment for a case of mild depressions. Barriers to effective care includes first lack of resources, second lack of trained healthcare providers, and third social stigma associated with the mental disorder. Preventions of depressions is effective community approaches includes strengthening of protective factors and the reducing of risk factor. Taking care of ourselves first, exercise daily, second balanced diets, third meditations, fourth healthy sleep habits, fifth avoids and reduce stress, sixth keep your working hours predictable and manageable, seventh limit or the curates alcohols and the substance abuse at organization and the planning daily routine. Ninth, be patient with ourselves. Recommended plans provides treatment in the primary case. Second, make psychotropic medications available. Third, give care in the community. Fourth, educations the public. Fifth, involve community, families, consumer. Sixth, establish national policies, programs, and the legislations. Seventh, develop human resources at link with the other sectors. Ninth, monitors community mental health. Tenth, support more resources. On the individual, community, and the national levels, it is a time to educate our wells about depressions and the support thus who are suffering from this mental disorder. Thank you.